Here I've got OPPO Reno 3 Pro, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you have to locate and open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here go to backup and reset. Then go to erase all data, and here you will notice erase downloaded apps and their data. And if you truly want to perform this operation, just click on erase data right here. Confirm that you would like to perform this operation by tapping on erase data. And this is it. Now you just have to wait a couple of seconds. Your device will clear all the data itself, and then you will be able to use your phone in a normal way. And now you can set your phone from scratch, so just pick the language at first, then the region. Now confirm that you agree with all the terms and conditions, tap on next, pick the network that is yours. And I will not copy my data. Now you can use your Google account if you want to, but I will skip it for now. Just let me go through the whole setup process quickly, so I'll click all the time next and get started finally. And that's it. As you can see, you've just reset app and app data, and you can customize your phone from scratch. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.